In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to your HubSpot site. Whether you're building a brand from scratch or looking to refresh an existing site, adding your own fonts can make all the difference in creating a unique and cohesive look. Let's walk through the process step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to enhance your HubSpot site with beautiful custom fonts. First, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account, or if you don't already have one, go ahead and sign up. Access to your account is the gateway to HubSpot's suite of tools, and customizing your site is just one of many capabilities you'll have at your fingertips. Once you're logged in, let's focus on navigation. Head over to the Settings panel, which you'll find in the main menu. This is your control center for handling various elements related to your site's appearance and functionality. In the Settings menu, you'll want to locate Account Management. This area is where you'll control overarching elements related to your account, so it's crucial to know your way around here. Within Account Management, the next step is to select Brand Identity. This is the section where you can personalize all aspects of your brand's look and feel. Now, within Brand Identity, look for the option labeled Brand Kit. Here you'll find resources and options for customizing elements essential to maintaining a consistent brand image across your HubSpot site. Once you're in the Brand Kit, you'll have two options for adding fonts. You can either browse Google Fonts or upload a custom font. If you're looking for something quick and simple, browsing through Google Fonts offers a wide variety of typefaces readily compatible with your site. For a unique touch, you might prefer to upload a custom font if you've prepared something specific for your brand. If you choose to upload your own font, click on the Upload Custom Font option. At this stage, you'll need to select the font file from your computer. Typically, font files come in .otf or .ttf formats, so ensure your custom font is in one of these formats before attempting an upload. Once you've selected your font file, you'll have the opportunity to customize various settings associated with it to ensure it appears just how you want on your site. Finally, once you're satisfied with your customizations, click the Update button. This step saves your changes and updates your brand kit so that the new fonts can be seamlessly integrated into your site. Remember, adding custom fonts is a fantastic way to make your HubSpot site reflect your brand's unique personality more accurately. And there you have it. You've successfully added custom fonts to your HubSpot site. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher on customizing your site's appearance.